Good morning. Welcoming all to the Content Development Program conducted by Department of Collegiate Education, Karnataka. Program Bachelor of Commerce BCom Subject Principles of Marketing Semester Second Semester University of Mysore Session 23. I am Dr. Mahadeva Nayak NS, working as Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Bannur. Session 23 consisting of the title of the session is Economic and Social Effects of Advertising. The contents are recap, learning objectives, learning outcomes, introduction, socio and economic effects of advertising, summary, conclusion, MCQs, references. In the earlier session, we have discussed about the advantages of advertising, the merits of advertising. Now, in this session, let us learn the objectives of to know the economic and social effects of advertising. After learning the session, the learners are introduced to the economic and social effects of advertising for the business. Socio effects or economic effects. Economic and social effects of advertising. Advertising is prized but also criticized by critics in their own ways. Advertising has many positive impacts along with its negative pictures. As the president of American Association of Advertising Agencies, John O. Tolle, has described, advertise is something else. It is not related to studies, but it will educate, but it teach. It is not a journalist, but it gives information, and it is not an entertaining device, but entertains everyone. The economic role of advertising. The economic aspects are supported by the abundance principle, which say producing more products and services than the consumption rate, which helps firstly keeping consumers informed about the options they have, and secondly helps sellers for playing in healthy and competitive atmosphere with their self-interest. Value of products, effects on prices, effects on consumer demands and choices, effects on business cycles are some of the role of advertising in economical situation. Social effects of advertising. There are some positive and some negative aspects of advertising on the social background. They are as follows. Description of in advertising, the subliminal advertising, effects on our value system, offensiveness. Summary. It is not related to studies, but it educates. It is not a journalist, but it gives information, and it is not an entertaining device, but entertain everyone. The economic aspects are supported by abundance principles, which says producing more products and services than the consumption rate, which helps firstly keeping consumers informed. MCQs. First one, an advertising that rate that does not include any discounts are. The answer is C, the flat rate. In a periodical advertising, dash is to run an advertisement within a space which is lower than the advertisement. Float is the answer. The C is the answer. A specific position in the publication for which an advertiser is granted a permanent franchise is franchisee position. The answer is B. Dash is an array of reach according to the level of frequency delivered to each group. Frequency distribution is an array. The answer is B. Dash is a preferred position for newspaper advertisement, generally following and next to reading matter of top of column next to reading matter. The answer is C. Full position. The answer is C. References: Marketing Management by Philip Kotler, Marketing Management by Pillai and Bhagavati, Rajan Saxena, Marketing Principles and Practices by Chonawala. Thank you one and all.